Hi! What you doing? You want to say hi to everyone? What does the duck say? What does the duck say? The duck says quack, quack, quack. And what does the dog say? Bow, wow. What does the cat say? Meow. Bow wow is what the dog says. What does the cow say? That's right, the cow says moo. And what does the duck say? Quack. That's right. Oh, you're so smart. Mac dropped your book on the floor. Silly Mac. Uh-huh. What does the dog say? Bow wow? What does the sheep say? The sheep says ba. Yeah. Ba ba. And the cow says moo. Moo. And the cappuccino machine goes That's right. And the cats say meow. Meow. And the raspberry says yeah, that was a lot. Good job, baby. Oh, good job. I know you're tired. Should have taken a nap. Should have taken a nap today. But you said, no, mommy, naps are stupid. Yeah. You're all done now? Okay, turn off the camera. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Grandma, Grandpa. Bye-bye, Grandmommy, Grandpa. Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye?